Oh my god! Oh my god! Hermes quarterback unboxing! Okay, Hermes haul. Okay. There's more, but I couldn't get it all into frame, and also I already unboxed all of it because I brought it back to France, but I didn't want to re-unbox it all, rewrap it all, but here are the ribbons. Some of these are mine, some of these are Andrew's. Combined, we got 5 bags this trip. And before you come for me, yes, it's possible. Last time I know I got 6. I think the most you could probably get is 8 if you play it right. You could leave with 8. Yes, you can leave with 8, okay? If you play it right. I have yet to get 8, maybe next time. Last time was 6, this was 5, okay? Anyway, none of that matters. We'll do a complete separate unboxing for all of that Hermes haul that is now all over the floor. This is the only one we want to unbox today. Okay, we're gonna talk about it and we're gonna do a little unboxing, and you guys, I cannot believe I'm making this video. This has been a long awaited, very exciting, most special, most important unboxing ever. Okay, you guys, really, really excited. So we're gonna do the unboxing today, now, and then we'll do the story time in another one, because I just want to unbox it and show it to you. I'm so excited. Obviously, I already wrapped it back up because I just got back from France where I got this, okay? So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and then I'll do a story time later. But here you go, Hermes haul, Hermes unboxing, the most special, the most unique, the most lucky. I'm the most grateful, I'm most excited, most happy. Yay! I'm sorry I've been gone for a while. I've been traveling, but I'm back. And I think what a way to start with this one, okay? So, Hermes quota bag, unbox my special order mini Kelly with me. Hey guys, I got another quota bag. I got the best quota bag, a special order mini Kelly. I'm just gonna tell you because whatever, special order mini Kelly. But I might not reference it every 5 seconds. I'm gonna try to be secret about it, but I'm just telling you now. Anyway, let's unbox my special order mini Kelly, you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak. Oops. More boxes falling everywhere. A luxury lover, a shopaholic, and and today we are unboxing the most special, the most specific, the most luxurious, blood, sweat, tears, years into getting this finally happened. I'm so excited. Compelling me a Kelly. It worked. Not in the US, but that's okay. Got it. Well, I already got other one, obviously, but this one's super special. It's a special order. I will talk about the process in another video. I will show you everything, how in all another video, and I'll do the rest of the unboxings in another video at a big Hermes haul. Hermes. I keep saying the wrong. It's Hermes, but how many times are we going to pronounce it the French way? Hermes. Anyway, we're going to unbox this really quickly. Already, this video is probably 5 minutes. I'm sorry. I wanted to do a literally quick one. If you've been watching my shorts, you probably have already seen what it looks like, so don't spoil it for yourself. Don't spoil it for the others. Not that you can. This is like that Glinda thing where she's writing a letter to her parents and then they can't respond. She's like, you can't respond because this is a letter. Anyway, we're gonna unbox this and then I will talk about it more in another video, okay? So let's just do the unboxing, okay? So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. So like I said, this is an Hermes special order. I just picked it up in Paris and I'm so excited. I didn't even know it was gonna be ready. I was actually going to Paris to try to get a different bag and I made an appointment to get a different bag, but then it became ready, so then I had to pick it up because I couldn't not pick it up. I had to pick it up because you only have a month to pick it up once it's ready. So anyway. Like I said, I already unboxed it. Oh, you know what's really cool? It says Christmas on these. It says Hermes Noël, which is, you know, Christmas. Anyway. Shut up, Maya. I already told you what it is. If you didn't know, you could tell from the box. I actually wore it out of the store. So I didn't even, it was wrapped, but there was an empty box. So I don't even know how it actually would have come. But I assumed that this is how it would have come. Because I wore the strap and the bag out and it was just an empty box wrapped. Nicely wrapped, but just with the dust cloth and the dust protector. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I don't even know if this is the right bag actually because I got so many bags and then when we were packing, I put them back. No, this has to be the right bag because it's the only bag that would make sense. Anyway, okay, so it's my special order, Mini Kelly, that I got, custom made. For me, special order, HSS, Horshoe, special order, SO, unicorn stamp, unicorn, horseshoe stamp. Ah! First of all, this bag is tiny. I didn't realize how tiny it was. I mean, I've seen it, but it's very tiny. Tiny but mighty. Okay, so. It's 2 colors. I got the multicolor one with this different color stitching, which was a little bit of a fight to get. And then Paree hardware. Chef leather, a little bit more expensive. This is the stuff that's usually on the inside of Birkins and Kellys instead of Epsom. So it's a little more soft and shiny, but it will slouch versus the Epsom that will stay stiff. But I already had Epsom for my 25, so I wanted to get Chef. We'll talk about it in the process later, but you only have certain color options with Epsom and certain color options with Chef based on what is available. Noir, and then I went with a taupe. So I went for a classic, no pop of color. I wanted to keep it like something that I could wear every day, always, and goes with everything. But then I did get a little pop of stitching, which this is cuivre stitching, cuivre. Number 36 or 37. I was gonna get gold to be totally like Hermes, like classic house colors, but then I saw this and I thought it was cool because it looked a little bit like a rose gold, like a copper, but actually when it's here, it looks kind of pink. And then depending on what I'm wearing, it'll kind of like, it can pop a little orange, it can pop a little red. When I was wearing a lavender shirt with this, it looked almost lavender. So I'm gonna call it chameleon cuivre. Anyway, I haven't named it yet. Hermès hardware. It's gonna be a him. All my bags are now hims. So they're all gonna have he names. I took the plastic off here. I have not taken the plastic off here yet. But anyway, it is, the stitching is killer. Oh, and there's a strap. Hold on. Let's just look at her again. Okay, there she is. Okay. The strap. I got the longer strap. I guess I'm telling you part of the stuff now, but that's okay. We'll redo it again later, okay? Longer strap. Okay, so I'm gonna do a second video later of the whole process, which I kind of partly just told you right now, and then I'm gonna do a full haul with all these boxes later, okay? Mwah. What do you guys think? Let me know. I love her. I don't know what leather's inside. I think it's Swift. It's like softer inside. I should actually ask, what's this leather inside? You guys, I've been staring. I just can't stop staring. It didn't get a twilly. Doesn't come with a lock, but I can put one of the other bag locks on it, and I can put one of the other bag straps on it. So other bags, my other Kelly. I have one other bag. I guess I could put an Evelyn strap on it too. Now I need a knit taupe or a noir Evelyn or a cuivre Evelyn. I guess the gold strap would go. Also, my Kelly pocket strap could go on this. So many ways to style this. It's so exciting. Okay, that's all I got, you guys. I gotta get out of here because I can't. I'll just keep talking. Okay, this has been so long in the making. This is so exciting. I can't believe, I feel so lucky, so grateful, so appreciative that I was able to get this. It's not an easy thing to get. It's very hard, and I feel very lucky that they allowed me to get this. I don't know how still. I feel like it was a fluke, but I'm gonna take the fluke, and I'm very appreciative. Thank you, Hermes. Thank you, Hermes. Thank you. Thank you, seriously. This is so... I peaked. I feel like I've peaked. I don't feel like I could beat this. I don't know if it's ever gonna happen again, so I'm like, this is it. This is the one. No, manifesting. It will happen again. It will happen again. It's already happened again. Birkin next. 30. Rose gold hardware. That's all I got. Okay. Mwah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. Appreciate you spending your time here with me. I can't believe I got this baby.